Now we're building our dimensional theory analyses function, and we get to this error handling section. Print, and we've got our F string. Now we see list as a function. So we're encountering an advanced F string technique that demonstrates converting dictionary keys to formatted lists within the F string expressions, creating user-friendly displays of available data collections for error messages and user guidance. So inside the curly braces of this F string, we have that list function with self.physicstheories.keys inside of that. Self.physicstheories.keys gets all the theory names from our physics theories dictionary, and then list converts those keys into a displayable list format. The result gets embedded in the string as available theories. This creates helpful error messages that show available options. When a theory is not found, instead of leaving users guessing, the system displays all available theory names. The combination of list and keys within F strings enables a dynamic help text generated from data structures. Your error messages automatically stay current with your data. If you add new theories to your database, the error message updates automatically without code changes. The concept of embedding function calls within F-string expressions enables sophisticated user communication, where error messages become helpful guides, showing users exactly what options they have, improving user experience through informative feedback generated dynamically from your program's data.